online shoppers, I'm really excited because my new metal tissue box cover just showed up in the mail. So let's take it out of the packaging and see what it looks like. I think that this is a really well packed item. It has not arrived here dented, bent, or scratched in any way, shape, or form, and it is just sexy. I love how matte and shiny this is at the same time. It looks actually like velvet. It's definitely something that I want to touch. Now, we all know that tissue paper boxes are definitely boring and usually tacky, and this is a great way to put a modern touch on your decor and not have some tacky, silly looking Kleenex box ruining your overall design aesthetic. Now, this comes in a wide variety of colors. You can get over 12 options with this really neat metal tissue box cover. I personally like the black. I think it's really sexy, but they have everything from gold, rose gold, white, silver, and a variety of creams, browns, and grays that you can definitely find one that's going to meet your design plan for your room. As well, you can get it in a single pack like the one I just ordered here. You can also get it in a 4-pack and a 2-pack. Now, the bottom of it is nice and big, and that means it slides over top of the tissue box really easy. And I also think the opening is really great because sometimes, and I've had these before, the opening is so small that you end up ripping the tissue before you even get it out. This has a really nice opening. I'm thinking this is going to be a great size for getting tissues out of the box without tearing them. I really like the finish of the paint on this, and I think it's really well made. The edges are all super smooth and rounded. I just love the look of this metal tissue box cover. If you are looking for a way to jazz up your tissue box and cover those tacky, ugly tissue boxes that we have to buy at the store and include something that's a really sleek design element, this square tissue box cover is really cool. It has a sleek, modern look, and it's going to be a great accompaniment to your overall design plan. It has met my expectations, and I think it's definitely going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.